guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a random assortment of things that I want to review and show you guys. I have the Target Studio mcgee holiday decor line, I have Anthropologie Christmas, I have Temu Christmas decor, my UGG review that y'all have been waiting for, and just like random things here and there. So I'm really excited to get into it. I'll have everything linked down below. You can follow me over on TikTok. I've been doing a ton of unboxings and reviews over there. Also, of course, on Instagram, and subscribe to my channel for more. I have so many holiday videos coming, gift guide, decor, just so many things. So I'm super excited for the holiday season with y'all, and I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it because I have a lot of things to share. H&M always releases really cute cheese board labels during the holiday season. This year they have these like reflective metallic gold ones, and they say like what each cheese is. So smelly, creamy, aged, smoked, sharp, and blue. I love gifting these. I think this is like such a cute little addition to a hostess gift, but I also love putting these on my own cheese boards. I think it adds so much character and personality, and they're so fun. They're super easy to wash. I was waiting to show y'all so I could unbox these, wash them, and make a cheese board, hopefully. I did a video a few weeks ago sharing some of my holiday finds for this year, and one of the things that I wanted to show you is that I did end up buying the H&M paper trees in the new color. So I already have the dark green and the beige, but they released this really pretty brown, and I think they look so cute, and I love the fact that they fold completely flat. I feel like for storage this is amazing. If you don't have a ton of space, if you're more minimalist and you don't want, you know, to clutter your house with seasonal decor, look how flat this is. And I feel like it really adds a lot to a space because they're 3D and they're really cool. And I heard from interior designers on TikTok that paper decorations are in this year, so I'm really happy with the color combo. I'm not gonna lie, I was super disappointed with the Studio mcgee Target collab for the holidays because everything sold out immediately. It was so upsetting. I was able to snag a couple of things by checking the Target app constantly, like these little ceramic trees. They're really cute. This is $10, this one was $20, so definitely a little more pricey for what they are, but they're really giving Crate and Barrel vibes. So I thought these were perfect and very neutral. Of course, all the ornaments that I wanted from that line sold out really quick, but these are still in stock, and arguably they're one of the cutest things from that collection. 2 sets of these on my tree. There are these little pearl bow ornaments. Oh, they have black velvet ribbon, brass on the other side. Y'all, these add so much girliness and glam to a very neutral, boring tree. And they're pretty inexpensive for the quality, I guess. Each is $5, so I thought it was like really cute. I also ordered a few more that are probably getting in today or tomorrow, so I'll show you guys those right now. Okay, I just got this in the mail. Look how busted this box looks. But I wanted to unbox them with y'all. These are the Mercury glass ornaments, and I thought they would be perfect for our living room tree, but I don't know, I'm not loving like the size and shape. Okay, so this is what they look like. I actually think I'm gonna return them. What do y'all think? For the size and the price, hi honey, they're not worth it for me, so I'd rather someone else have them because they're like nothing crazy special, but I'll return them, so hopefully one of you can grab them. Earlier this year I shared that I found the Tasman, I've never said that out loud, but the slippers, I found them for like $30 on DH, right? Wanted to find more alternatives and see if they were also worth it, and I ended up going for these. Y'all have been waiting for my review on YouTube. I posted these like over a month ago over on Instagram, and y'all, I really love these. These are the platform version, but unfortunately I got my true size, which is a size 7, which they consider to be a 38, and they run small, which is so sad, especially because I'm gonna be very pregnant this winter, so like my feet are already gonna be swollen, and I like to wear these usually with socks, so I don't think these are gonna fit me much longer. They're a really tight fit. So if I were you and you were gonna order these, I highly recommend sizing up. I really do think they run small. I'm usually a very true size 7, and these are the only slippers that fit this tight on me. And when I saw that this color of the Tasmans was trending, I had to pick them up as well. I'd been wearing these so much. I also got these in a size 7, 38, and they fit perfectly. They're so comfortable with or without socks. I'm completely obsessed. You can see I already have some stains on them. I also have the traditional brown color with the red edges. I don't get the hype. Like, I would never spend $100+ in slippers that I'm only gonna wear like 4 months out of the year. They also sell out so darn fast every single season. I feel like I've been seeing people saying pre-order these like May or June, which is nuts. So the fact that you can get them year round for like $30 is just so much better. So they have all the colors, by the way, if you want the blacks, the more traditional ones. And then I saw that Amazon actually has some that are not exact, they're just similar. So I'll link those down below as well, but highly recommend. Okay, so I just want to check the Anthropologie website. These are the ones that are still available. The rest are from last year. So the tea room one is available. This one I literally just got in the mail. The Jolly's Toy Shop. These all light up. These I had like 3 extras, so I'm selling it on my eBay. I'll link it down below. And then this one, this is the Chalet Cafe. I love the bows. So cute. There's 2 others that I don't have yet because they were on pre-order, but just so beautiful. I love collecting them. This was last year's advent calendar. This year's it's blue and it's kind of like a ski resort, and these were both unavailable this year as well. So sad because I wish I would restock them every year, but I like the fact that they added new styles this year. I am doing an entire vlog style of decorating my house for Christmas. I already started it, but it's not socially acceptable to decorate your house before Halloween's over in my neighborhood or anywhere, so I'm gonna wait. But I got these from Temu for the pillars outside my house. They are huge nutcracker banners, and I got the pink ones because my plan for the outside of my house is nutcracker x gingerbread. So I'm doing like pastels, I'm doing gumdrops, I'm doing candy nutcrackers. I'm so excited. These were $6 like each, or for the pack on Temu, which I think is a steal. And they're like not the best quality, they're not like insane, but for $6 I'll take it. My favorite thing to collect, which are these Anthropologie glasses. I've been meaning to share the new design with y'all. Is called like the Valentina or whatever. They are little hearts. They come in a 4-pack. You can get these 2 colors, the red and the blue. They're so cute. I'm completely obsessed. These are a little foggy and dirty because I haven't washed them, but highly recommend. They finally released their Christmas line. I've only gotten one so far. This is the little snowman. The Christmas ones all have these little dots or whatever these are called, kind of like snow. There's a Christmas tree, a gingerbread man, candy canes, and the snowman. So there's 4 of those in total. And then depressingly enough, as I was gathering the 3rd of my shot glasses, I broke it. So I have the little gingerbread man, the little trees, and I had the candy canes, which in my opinion are the cutest, and I broke that one. So I have to place another order, but y'all, Anthropologie just kills it with holiday everything. I mean, these little houses are all Anthropologie, so I'll be sure to link those before those sell out. I swear I have a point, but I have to tell this story. I was telling Nata's cousin, she's like about to pick a college, and I was like, just put them all on a bowl and pick one out, and even if you don't like it, it'll help you decide because you'll know that you don't like it. And I was fully expecting to come here and just like share this pillowcase with y'all, and the more I thought about it, the more I hate it. I'm just like, why am I keeping this? I'm just gonna regret keeping it because I don't even like it. So I'm still gonna show you, but I am gonna return it. So I guess my point with the story was that I'm glad I make these videos because it always helps me decide if I like something or not. Anyway, I thought it was really cool. It's from H&M Home. It's huge. It's a 20 by 20, which I didn't realize when I purchased it. But it has all these like random animals and like very zodiac astrology vibes. Even though I don't know if there's deers in astrology, but I digress. I thought it was cool for my, you know, funky office decor, but the more I look at it, the less I like it. So I will be returning. So guys, that's everything I have for you today. If you enjoyed these little casual hauls, definitely let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you're shopping for, what you're decorating for Christmas, what your Christmas decor style is this year or always. I feel like I don't really switch it up all that much. Like downstairs, I'll try to keep it like really neutral. Then Olivia's room is like gingerbread, nutcracker vibes. And then my office is just very like whimsical, girly, have a ton of like funky ornaments. So I don't switch it like depending on the year or anything, but I definitely add a few pieces every single year. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. I have so much more coming. I literally just filmed my first intro for my first gift guide, so I'm so excited for November to come, and I can't wait for the holiday season. Anyway, that's everything I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.